And it turns out there is a correlation between the later change in fall colors and climate change. Take a look at this beautiful picture. This was sent in to us by Shauna McCauley. This is up into Lutz up to the north, seeing some of those beautiful color changes, some vibrant red, also some orange colors across at least the northern part of the state. Now, did you know that a warming fall due to human influenced climate change is making an impact on the arrival time and also the length of leaf peeping season? Let me explain. Now, of course, you probably remember September record warmest temp at MSP, 70.4, warmer than last year, which was the previous record, 69.1. Look at all the red days we had for September, about 7 degrees above average. That was just the month of September. But when we look at all of fall, we're seeing a warming trend across the entire country since 1970. Look at all of the red spots in place, including the upper Midwest. Some of these locations in the maroon, about 4 degrees or more warming since 1970. Now, another factor with this would be those warm fall nights and the impact when it comes to color change with leaves. And we have seen an increase since 1970. Let's take Duluth, for example, warming by 4.3 degrees with that average temperature in the fall nights. Same deal as we look out to MSP. Since 1970, about 5.7 degrees warming with those nights. And this is why this is important. Those cool nights help to trigger the leaves and tell them it's time for the color change. So when we don't have the cool nights because of the warming temps, we get more of a dull color as opposed to having those cool nights leading to an enhanced color change. One of several important factors when it comes to color change. Here's the latest when it comes to the fall color report. We've had some changes, especially across the northern part of the state. Not much or just a little change here in the metro. Once you get to the north of the metro, though, notice we have some red spots there indicating peak. Also showing some orange spots with a lot of color change in place. Still a little bit more to go, but still really starting to see things pick up, which is quite a bit later compared to what we saw last year. And there's also a correlation between rainfall and color change. A warming climate can hold more moisture, so abundant summer rainfall can lead to more color change just with the warming temps. It's later in the fall season.
So